Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.